up, YouTube? Hi, I'm Taylor and I hate mosquitoes. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button down below. Every subscription is appreciated. We are nearing 150 subscribers, which is exciting. I'm thankful for every one of you that continue to come back and watch my videos. Alrighty, so today we are going to be going for a little bit of a ride. I did get a GoPro harness that kind of straps around my chest, and I rigged it up to hold my phone. That went well. Not once, not twice did I have issues filming the last time I tried this, but as we are right in the middle of Fool's Spring here in Indiana, it's 60 degrees out, and figured out some lessons from the last time we tried to film with the harness. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, man. So, I fishtailed a little bit too hard there. And ate pretty good. Oh, man. I bashed the hell out of my shin. So, let me get the camera back on my chest. And we'll go from there. Well, I'll be honest. That was the last thing I wanted to do. But, it is fun getting the back end loose, but yeah, that hurt. And it appears like my seat popped out a little bit. So I'll need to play with that a little bit at some point. These things don't typically like to start back up right away. Once they are laid over because they flood. Let's see if we can't get her to kick back over.
A few moments later.
pretty well. I will say I love these pleated foot beds. Those work marvelously. The skid plate, I mean, it did its job. It protected the case, so what more could you ask for? And we learned that the seat, even though it's been moved forward, I still need to do something, probably another brace here to prevent it from sliding back. Because it did that when we wiped out. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased. Alright everybody, I think that's about it for today's video. We do have the BSA back in one piece. I'm in one piece. We did take a pretty nasty spill there, but you know what? That's part of it sometimes, and that was to be expected considering it's 60 degrees in February. So all in all, I find it hard to complain about being able to go out and ride and enjoy the woods and some trails on a 56-year-old dirt bike. It's definitely a blessing in my life. So if you enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe below. I appreciate every one of you that have supported me with comments and your subscriptions. It means a lot. So all right guys, until next time, happy riding.